If a sexy 60-year-old millionaire man were interested in you romantically, would you be open to it?
I think I like 60 and because po I think
And I don't care about age. It's just a number. I will be disappointed.
What would your reaction be if your mama brought home a 80-year-old foreigner she was dating? What is your name and how old are you?
Yes, po. I'm 20.
Jessa.
Yesa.
Yesa. Okay. So, Yesa, here's the very first question. Okay, and I want you to be very honest. If a sexy 60-year-old millionaire man were interested in you romantically, would you be open to it?
Yes, of course. Why not?
May we know what's the reason, like, why yes?
I want to know more about people outside the country. That's why I'm interested of knowing someone like maybe older than me.
Okay. Okay. What would your reaction be if your mama brought home a 80-year-old foreigner she was dating?
That would be fine. I don't care about age. It's just a number. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You will be happy with for your mother?
Yes, whatever she wants. I'm fine with it.
Do you believe love conquers all or does money?
Somehow po, money is like important, but if you're gonna like look into a relationship, it's better to about love. It's like all about love. Money don't matters.
You are 20 years old.
Yes.
You're still in college.
Yeah.
May we know what is your course?
BSNED, Bachelor of Science in Special Needs Education,
And what year are you now? Second year, third year?
second year.
Second year college. Are you in a relationship ba or are you single?
I'm in a relationship right now.
Okay. What do you call how I'm gonna say? Is he Filipino, foreigner?
Oh, it's from Texas.
From Texas. How long you've been with him? Like the relationship?
Like we've been for like 1 year and 6 months.
Oh. And how old is he? If it's okay.
40 years old.
40 years old and you're 20.
Yeah.
Okay. How did you two meet? I'm so nosy, guys. I'm so sorry. How did you two meet?
Oh, well, I met him by my friend. He introduces me. The guy.
And you're from here, from Naga, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you met already, right? In person.
Yeah. We've been together for like, maybe we met for two times. Yeah.
He came here in Naga.
And she brings me on Cebu.
Oh, in Cebu. Okay. 1 year. Well, anyway, congratulations and bless you both. What are your names and ages?
Jasmine and I'm 18 years old.
Alexa po and I'm 18 years old.
So both 18. Oh, what is this? Like, are you turning 19 years old this year?
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay. And both are like classmates, right? In college. Okay. Well, anyway, here's the very first question. And I want you two to be very honest, okay? If a sexy 60-year-old millionaire man were interested in you romantically, would you be open to it?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes. May we know why?
Siya naman.
Okay. Simple English. They're like, ate, we don't know how to speak English. Just basic English. Sorry.
Siya mo na ate.
They don't, but you're going to give him a chance, right?
Yes po.
Okay. Oh, may we know why? Why is that? Like,
Because he's handsome and good looking. And maybe he's I don't know, maybe good behavior.
maybe he's kind.
Yeah, guys.
Oh, maybe have a good behavior. Kind. Okay, how about you, Bear?
For me po, I think I like 60 and because po I think he's kind like then po sa physical appearance po feel ko I think I love him po then sa
Because of the physical appearance. So you two like someone who is like sexy or fit.
yes po.
Yes po.
Okay. Next, what would your reaction be if your mama brought home a 80-year-old foreigner she was dating? What's gonna be your reaction?
Shock po. Ano po, magiging shock. Because, I didn't,
You'll be shocked.
yeah.
Let's say your mother is single and then she's dating a foreigner who is 80 years old, and then she brought home her boyfriend, let's say, or her her foreigner. So you will be shocked.
Yes, I will be shocked because I don't know my mother, and then dating 80 years old foreigner. Okay.
But if your mother told you ahead of time, you wouldn't be shocked, right?
Yeah, I didn't.
So what's gonna be your reaction?
Maybe happy because my mom happy too.
Maybe, ano po, same answer.
You'll be happy as well.
Yes.
You're not gonna be shocked.
No po.
You'll be happy.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm curious, how old are your parents? How old is your mother?
40 po.
Ano po, 38.
38 years old. Okay. Last question. Do you believe love conquers all, or does money? Do you believe love conquers all, or does money?
I believe love conquers all. Because money doesn't ayan, because money is ano pagka to.
You can say it in Bicol or in Tagalog. Money is what?
Because po ang pera po day ma po siya piga kumbaga day po siya tiga para po sa love po baga.
Money doesn't matter.
Yan, money doesn't matter.
So love conquers all.
Yeah.
Because money doesn't matter.
Yes po.
Okay.
For me po, love man. Because kapag, pwede po magpagalon. Kasi po, kapag mahal mo yung isang tao, aanin mo na lang po na mahalin siya kaysa po yung pera. Ano.
She said that if you love someone, of course you're gonna love that person, right? Money doesn't really matter, just like what she said. Okay. Okay. I have last question for you too, because the first question was if a sexy 60-year-old man who is actually millionaire, what if he is not millionaire but he is a sexy 60-year-old? Would you still be open if he's interested to be like, if he's what's the question was? If he is interested in you romantically?
But for me po, but is kind, I will accept po.
Yeah, me too. If he's kind and I will accept din po.
What is your name and how old are you?
Olivia po, 20 years old.
I want you to be very honest. If a sexy 60-year-old millionaire man were interested in you romantically, would you be open to it?
If single, maybe no.
What would your reaction be if your mama brought home a 80-year-old foreigner she was dating?
It's okay with me as long as she's happy.
Do you believe love conquers all, or does money?
What?
Do you believe love conquers all, or does money?
Love.
Love.
Because love is more important, because if you have a lot of money but if you don't have love in your relationship, I mean that's what's called that it's nothing. If you have a lot of money but don't love, that's nothing.
That's nothing. So love.
Yeah.
Love conquers all.
Yeah, love.
You are 20 years old. Okay. Are you single? Like, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
No, you don't have a boyfriend. You're still studying?
No. Working.
Working. Let me know what is your job, if it's okay.
It's dressmaking.
Dressmaking. Interesting. And you're only 20 years old. Do you make like gowns? What kind of clothes?
Just
clothing.
uniform, t-shirt, something like that. But gown, definitely not. I'm just studying the tailoring.
Tailoring. So, t-shirts, uniforms, those.
Yeah, something like that. T-shirt, and etc.
What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Isha po. I am 19 years old. Today is my birthday po.
Oh, happy birthday!
po.
You're welcome. So that's why we saw you. You're carrying a flower, right?
Yes
Oh,
po.
happy birthday! Okay, so here's the very first question, and I want you to be very honest. If a sexy 60-year-old millionaire man were interested in you romantically, would you be open to it?
For me po, no.
Mm-hmm.
Because po, I can I can earn money. I can earn on money to myself po. Like I'm working. I'm a student working po.
Okay, let's not talk about the money. Okay, this is not all about the money, but how about if someone, a sexy 60-year-old who is a millionaire, but let's disregard the money, okay, that is, let's say, interested in you romantically, would you be open to it? Yes or no?
Honestly po, no po talaga.
Okay.
Pero however po, there's nothing wrong with a 61-year-old man po. His old on old guy po is matured enough. But for me po, hindi po talaga.
Okay. What would your reaction be if your mama brought home a 80-year-old foreigner she was dating?
I will be disappointed po.
Why?
I will be happy for her, but I will get disappointed because you know po, I'm a daughter po, and if there are misunderstood po something like that, like there's a misunderstanding between her new husband and me that can fix po. Like there's a wall between him and me. Like,
Oh, what do you mean? Like I don't really understand.
like for example po, his opinion, like there's not connected with my opinion po.
Oh, so you're not gonna be happy for her because there might be a problem in the future between you and then her boyfriend, let's say, her foreigner boyfriend. Like let's say maybe you have a different perspective and then he has. So
Especially sa ano po, sa values, ay especially in her in my values and his values po.
okay.
Like for sa trans ay sa for example ba sa
For example, different values. You might have different values. Do you believe love conquers all or does money?
it depends din po in woman if he wants his money or his romantic love po.
How about you? I'm asking you. How about you?
Love po.
Love conquers all.
Oh, yes po.
So money is not really that important.
No po.
What if you're married to someone and then let's say he doesn't have job and then you're like in poverty, let's say for example, would you still think the same way like love conquers all? It doesn't matter if you're poor.
Po ano po, we can I can engage him to get a job po. Ganun.
So money is important too.
It's balance po.
Balance. Okay. You're still studying, B, right?
Yes po. First year college po.
Oh, what are you taking?
Ano po, teacher.
Oh, so you're gonna be a teacher. Well, anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.